we're going to talk about shared users, who they are, and why you'd want to potentially add a shared user to your account. So a shared user is anyone you want to have access to your devices but not full control. So for example, a shared user might be your roommate that you want to give access to your camera to in your apartment, or your wife or husband that you want to give access to your home, or your adult child who moved back home for a while, like me. A shared user can see the videos, view everything that's going on, and download your videos, but they can't remove your device, they cannot delete your videos, and they cannot change any of your settings. Adding a shared user is really easy. You just go to the device that you want to add a shared user to, scroll down to the shared users tile, tap on it, and then quite simply add a user. So in this case, let me type in who I want to share my device with. And then you can actually decide which device you want to grant them access to. So do you want to just grant them access to one device or multiple devices? So I would do just my front door in this case. Send the invite, and that's it. The only thing to remember is your shared user is going to have to set up their own account, but it's as simple as that.